In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how can you fix Siri not working on AirPods Pro. If you want to fix Siri not working on your AirPods Pro, you have to follow these steps. So here, what you need to do is, first of all, you could check your iPhone Siri settings. Go to the iPhone settings, then go ahead and look for Siri and search on your iPhone. Then you want to ensure Listen for Hey Siri is enabled. You could also toggle or press the home button for Siri, and then back on to see if that resolved the issue or not. Similarly, you could also go ahead and ensure or reset AirPods Pro. You could place your AirPods Pro in a charging case and close the lid. Wait for approximately 30 seconds and then open the lid up. What next you want to do is press and hold the button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until you see the status light flashing amber. Now with the case lid open, hold your AirPods Pro close to your iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect them. If the issue still persists on, it could be the issue with the hardware or software. So ensure both your iPhone and your AirPods Pro are running the latest software version. Now what you could also do is you could also try cleaning your AirPods. Sometimes it could be due to dust or debris, so use a microfiber cloth to clean it and see that fixes your issue or not. Despite all this procedure, if nothing works out, then you simply want to consider contacting Apple support, and they should be able to help you out in this matter. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.